So handy little trick here I'm going to show you. So if I was cutting out these little slots here, this is something I never knew, right? So spacing out the lines. Now I always thought if I wanted that line in line with the origin, that what I'd have to do, okay, is draw a center line out to the circumference and put the solid geometry line on this line by clicking the solid geometry line, holding down control, selecting the center line and selecting colinear. So I always taught you to do. Okay, what something that you can do, all right, okay, is if you click the line, hold control, and click the origin, you can then select coincident, and that'll do it. So not that is a quicker way of doing it, saves you a command. Okay, so it's not the end pointed line because that'll just put it onto the origin. It's the line. So click the line, hold control, and select make coincident. Very handy.